Hi everyone, this is Gabs Fidel for Pathways of Hope. Ito po yung ating Christmas and Advent special, and our theme for this week is about hope. And I love that Advent begins with this kasi parang sinasabi po ng Panginoon, kung anak, bago ang lahat, start with hope. Magsimula ka sa pag-asa. Start with the assurance that I am coming, I am moving, and I am keeping my promises. Alam niyo po, itong salitang hope or pag-asa, it sounds beautiful. Pero minsan ang hirap paniwalaan. Because when life gets too loud or uncertain, ito pong hope na to can feel, alam niyo yun, fragile, ang daling mabasag, ang daling mawala. The good thing is, itong Advent hope na pinag-uusapan natin ngayon ay hindi lang siya yung wishful thinking. It's not yung, Lord, sana maging okay lahat. It's part of it, yeah. But it's more than that. It is a confident expectation that God will do what He said. And saktong-sakto yung gospel po natin for today na galing sa sulat ni St. Matthew chapter 7 verses 21 and 24 to 27. Dito po sa mababasa natin, Jesus is describing two people na nagtayo ng bahay sa buhangin versus dun sa isa na nagtayo ng bahay sa bato. And both faced storms and heard His words. Pero isa lang po ang hindi natinag, isa lang po na natatiling nakatayo. The one who builds on the rock. And sa reflection po natin ngayon, itong rock na ito, itong bato na ito, ay walang iba kundi si Jesus. Yung kanyang katotohanan, yung kanyang character. Alam niyo po, si Jesus naman, hindi naman nangako na ang buhay ay magiging storm-free. Ang pinangako po niya is that with Him as our foundation, hindi tayo magko-collapse. And this is the heart of Advent hope. Hindi po ito yung nagpe-pretend tayo na magiging madali lahat dahil sa Panginoon ako. But it is knowing our foundation won't break even when everything and sometimes everyone does. Ang hope po na ito sometimes para siyang bulong. Bulong natin sa Panginoon na, Lord, I trust you even if I don't see things clearly. Sometimes it's obeying when it's inconvenient. Alam niyo yun, ikaw na lang sumusunod, lahat na ng tao sa paligid mo, taliwas. And sometimes, it's holding on when your emotions want to give up. Dahil sa dami ng pinagdadaanan, dami ng ingay ng mundo po natin ngayon. So as we start this Advent season, maybe, God is gently asking us, what foundation are you building on? Saan ba tayo nakatungtong? Maybe sa sand, yung success, approval, convenience, or sa sarili lamang nating kalakasan. Or the rock Himself, that is Jesus Christ. Ito pong hope na ito, it becomes real kapag paulit-ulit natin pinipili si Jesus. It becomes more alive kapag sumusunod tayo sa sinasabi niya. When we align ourselves and what we do, say with His word. And it becomes more powerful when we surrender fully to Him. And kung nagsimba po kayo ng linggo, as we light the first candle sa ating Advent wreath, lalahanin po natin, tandaan natin, hindi lang yun symbol, it's an invitation. An invitation to trust again, magtiwala ka muli sa Panginoon, maniwala ka ulit. And kung kayo po ay nasaktuhan ng video na ito, maybe God is asking you to rebuild again, magsimula ulit. I don't know po kung paano kayo na-catch nitong video na ito, but if you feel that this is exactly what you need today, that this is a reminder that even if this year was stormy, magulo, maraming unos, tandaan po natin, God has not forgotten you. Hindi ka po nakakalimutan ng Panginoon. You're still standing because your foundation is Christ. And He is still working. He's still coming. He's still faithful. And He is still the rock of our lives. Nawa po ngayong Advent, mas paigtingin pa natin yung pag-asa na nagmumula sa Panginoon. Tanggapin natin yung assurance na binibigay niya at nawa yun ang maging gabay sa mga desisyon natin ngayong season na ito. And huwag po natin kakalimutan na kapag si Kristo ang ating foundation, yung hope po natin is never fragile. Hindi siya madaling mabasa. Yung hope natin will be unshakable. Maraming pong salamat. Please share this video to a friend. And magandang araw po. This is Gabs Fidel once again. May God bless all of you.